Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
आज हमारे साथ है MTV स्प्लिट्सविला सीजन 11 विनर्स गौरव अलग और श्रुति सिन्हा। ये दोनों ने हमारे साथ रोज डे और चॉकलेट डे सेलिब्रेट किया। चलिए आइए देखते हैं वो सेलिब्रेशंस।
Hi, this is Gaurav Alag.
Hi, this is Shruti Sinha.
And we are at IWM.
Doing the Rose Day and Chocolate Day.
And we have some roses and chocolates in front of us. दो रोज हैं। श्रू तो मैं एक काम करते हैं। This you give to Rohan.
Yeah, you. No wait.
No wait. And this you give to Akriti to give to Spin Dog, or you give it to your mother. I think your mother should.
No.
This one to Sonu.
And you give this to Sonu to give to Scotch.
Oh, how sweet. Yeah, one Maxi can also keep.
Yeah.
Maxi is a dog. Scotch is my girlfriend's dog. I think I'll keep all the chocolates.
No, yeah, depending on this.
Oh, she's vegan. Perks of dating a vegan boyfriend. I'm going to keep all the chocolates. I'm going to give it to.
Sonu.
I'm going to share it with my girlfriend. And I'll मैं हर बाइट लेते हुए श्रुति फिर दूसरी बाइट लेते हुए रोहन बोलूँगा. So I think that's going to spread a lot of love.
आप दोनों अपनी फ्रेंडशिप को 3 वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब कीजिए।
Friendship in 3 words. तू दे पहला word.
Pure.
Forever.
And ever.
Hey, Ashu, that's cheating. Give a proper word.
You give the third one, na?
I think. Can I give 2 words combined together? Yeah. I think more than it's father-daughter. Yeah, because.
ध्यान देता रहता है और मैं सारी problems के साथ इसी के पास हूँ.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm the one creating problems in her life, but that's okay.
आप लोगों का फर्स्ट टाइम रिएक्शन कैसा था एक दूसरे को मिलने के बाद?
मुझे याद नहीं, ऑनेस्टली मुझे नहीं याद कि
हम लोग स्प्लिट्सविला से पहले
हम स्प्लिट्सविला के पहले से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं। कितना 2 साल से।
I think जब हम पहली बार मिले थे I tried to this thing try to pair her up with Saad and it was a massive failure. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, मतलब मेरे को कोई भी ऐसा सिंगल दिखता है ना, एक सिंगल लड़का दिखा एक सिंगल लड़की दिखा, आई थिंक यू गाइस शुड गेट अलोंग.
को भी साथ के साथ पेयर अप करने.
I really try. Saad, I really try for you, man. I really try for you.
Yeah.
ऐसा कौन सा क्रेजी या वियर्ड गिफ्ट है जो आप दोनों एक दूसरे को देना चाहोगे?
I don't know if it's weird, but it was his birthday last year. जब इसका birthday था, he is too self-obsessed, so I gave him a topi. G Life. A mug with G Life. Crocs because उसकी चप्पलें खो गई थी and he was just cribbing मेरे को Crocs चाहिए and I printed stickers जिस पे G Life लिखा मैंने अपने पूरे चेहरे पे ऐसे लगा के और पॉम लेके GLIFE we love you G करते हुए एंटर करी थी.
They choreographed the entire moment. I've never given Shruti anything on her birthday. I think I'd give her advice.
He came to Rodi's on my birthday. मतलब मेरे birthday के 2 दिन बाद.
I got a.
And he got a card which he didn't give to me.
I could not, because the producers didn't let me give it to you.
He was not allowed to talk to me.
Yeah.
I talked to everyone who came with him, but not him.
Not me as much. If I had to give her something now, you know what I'd give? क्या दूँगा यार मैं तेरे को? I'd give her I'd gift her a DVD of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and I'd I'd give her, if there's a vinyl for it, I'd give her a vinyl for it, or like make it like a golden CD case, like an actual gold CD case, and give it to her. तो देख, तू आराम से देख, CD case भी अगर कभी बेचना हो तो बेच दो. Yeah.
आप दोनों अपनी फेवरेट मूवी में कौन सा रोल प्ले करना चाहेंगे?
कभी खुशी कभी गम की पू. इसकी
I would, I'd love to do Rang De Basanti. DJ's character definitely.
एक थीम सॉन्ग जो आप दोनों के बीच में कॉमन हो?
Hers is बोले चूड़े. Oh no, wait.
Both of us.
For both of us. तेरा यार हूँ.
हाँ. Yeah.
क्या आप दोनों एक दूसरे पे प्रैंक करते हो?
Look at that, what happened to Rosie. Always. Always.
प्रैंक नहीं, मुझे बहुत मारता है. There's this famous thing, इसे ब्लैंकेट डाल के ना मारते हैं, कंबल कुटाई कहते हैं उसको इन दिल्ली. और नो यहाँ पे मैंने किसी से नहीं सुना. इतनी बार ना इसने मुझे मारा है उसमें और जनरली भी that's just मैं नहीं करती इसको prank. I'm a very nice friend.
Yeah, she doesn't prank as much. I love hitting her. Yeah, look at her. She gives such good reactions when you hit her. I'll show you.
कोई एक मैसेज जो आप अपने फैंस को देना चाहोगे?
तू बोलेगी पहले मैं बोलूँ? I think दुनिया में ना प्यार की बहुत कमी है. Any form of love. I don't think Valentine's is just about love between a guy and a girl or two guys or two girls. Just spread love, guys. Go out on the streets. Don't make out on the streets. Just spread love. Spread love. I think Valentine's Day you should just go out, hug people, kiss people on their foreheads, cheeks if they allow, on their lips. But just go out there, spread some love. This world in today's age definitely needs it. If you are not going out, if you are sitting in your home on social media, spread love on social media. Let's just try and do this. #spread love.
Yeah, Valentine's Day for me it's just like another day, to be very honest, because
That's so cliched, Ashru. सारे cliche जवाब.
यार मैं नहीं सेलिब्रेट करती यार Valentine's Day. तू करता है? हाँ, he will make it special for Sonu. मेरे को
I'm a very mushy person.
Yeah, that he is. For sure, he proposed his girlfriend एक पिज्जा के बॉक्स के उस पे. His idea.
This wasn't supposed to go out.
Your ideas are different only. But for me, just like what he said, every day should be like this, yeah?
Yeah, I think every day you should. I think let's just do an initiative and start it this Valentine's. And then just keep spreading love.
Yes.
Yes. Hi, this is Gaurav Alagh.
Hi, this is Shruti Sinha and you're watching us on IWM
Buzz.